Hello students, today will we discuss about the Victorian age. Okay, आज हम विक्टोरियन एज की सोशल, पॉलिटिकल, इकोनॉमिक एंड रिलीजियस टेंडेंसीज के बारे में बात करेंगे। जो आपका विक्टोरियन पीरियड रहा है वो 1830 से 1901 तक रहा है। ओके, The Victorian age is one of the most remarkable periods in the history of England. It was an era of material affluence, political consciousness, democratic reforms, industrial and mechanical progress, scientific advancement, social unrest, educational, mechanical expansion, empire building, and religious uncertainty. There were a number of thinkers who were well satisfied with the progress made by the Victorians, while from a whole class of adverse critics could be heard a scathing criticism of the values held dear by the Victorians. Okay? A time of change. London becomes most important city in Europe. Population of London expands from 2 million to 6 million. Shift from ownership of land to modern urban economy. Impact of industrialism, increase in wealth, world's foremost imperial power. Victorian people suffered from anxiety, a sense of being displaced persons in an age of technological advances. Industrial advancement created social unrest and economic distress among the masses. The Industrial Revolution, while creating the privileged class of capitalists and mill owners rolling in wealth and riches, also brought in its wake the semi-starved and ill-clad class of laborers and factory workers who were thoroughly dissatisfied with their miserable lot. National wealth increased, but it was not equally distributed. Queen Victoria and the Victorian Temple ruled England from 1837 to 1901. Exemplifies Victorian qualities: earnestness, moral responsibility, domestic property. The Victorian period was an age of transition, an age characterized by energy and high moral purpose. The Victorian age was essentially a period of peace and prosperity for England. The few colonial wars that broke, but during this period exercised little adverse effects on the national life. The Crimean War, of course, caused a stir in England, but its effects were soon forgotten and the people regained the normal tenor of their lives without feeling the aftermaths of war in their round of daily activities. In the earlier years of the age, the effect of the French Revolution was still felt, but by the middle of the century, it had almost completely dwindled and England felt safe from any revolutionary upsurge disturbing the placidity and peaceful reign of its life. द अर्ली विक्टोरियन पीरियड यानी अर्ली विक्टोरियन टाइम क्या था 1830 से 1848 तक। In 1830, the Liverpool and Manchester Railway opened, the first public railway line in the world. By 1850, railway lines connected England's major cities. By 1900, England had 15,195 lines of railroad and an underground rail system beneath London. The train transformed England's landscape, supported the growth of commerce, and shrank the distance between cities. There was an intellectual and scientific advancement during the Victorian age. It was a period of intellectual ferment and scientific thinking. Next, the Reform Bill of 1832 transformed English classes structure, extended the right to vote to all males. Owning property, second reform bill passed in 1867, extended right to vote to working class. On the whole, it was a comparatively peaceful existence of its life. On the whole, it was a comparatively peaceful reign when Englishmen, secure in their Iceland ways, could complete the transformation of all aspects of their industrial, commercial, and social life without any risk of violent interruptions that gave quite a different quality to the history of other nations. It was an era when the war drum no longer and the people felt safe and secure in their Iceland homes. Next is the time of troubles 1830s and 1840s. इसमें क्या था उस टाइम 1830 और 1840 के बीच अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट पॉवर्टी राइटिंग slums in large cities working conditions for women and children were terrible. Okay. Peace brought material advancement and industrial progress in the country. The industrial revolution of the age transformed the agrarian economy of England into an industrial economy. Mills and factories were established at important centers, and the whole of England hummed with the rattle of looms and the boom of weaving machines. Impact on Victorian literature. The novelists of the 1840s and the 1850s responded to the industrial and political scene. Charles Kingsley, The Water Babies, Elizabeth Gaskell, North and South Life of Charlotte Brontë, and Benjamin Graham Civil. The Victorian era is often compared, whatever may be the defects of the Victorian way of life. It cannot be denied that it was in many ways a glorious epoch in the history of English literature, and the advancement made in the field of poetry, prose, and fiction was really commendable. मिड विक्टोरियन पीरियड जो रहा है वो रहा है 1848 से 1870 तक. इसमें क्या क्या इसकी विशेषता रही हैं? अ टाइम ऑफ प्रॉस्पेरिटी, अ टाइम ऑफ इम्प्रूवमेंट, अ टाइम ऑफ स्टेबिलिटी, अ टाइम ऑफ ऑप्टिमिज्म, यानी ये मिड विक्टोरियन पीरियड की विशेषताएं हैं। ओके, इन द कोर्स ऑफ द विक्टोरियन era there developed among the increasingly large number of literary men and women and philanthropic social reformers a humanist attitude of life, which was not a matter of greed and dogmas but recognition of the love and loyalty that the better sensed people had for their unfortunate brethren. In the works of Charles Dickens, Mrs. Gaskell, Carlyle, and Ruskin, we notice the crusading zeal of literary artists to bring about salutary reforms in the social and economic life of the country. Next is the Crystal Palace. Erected to display the exhibits of modern industry and science at the 1851 Great Exhibition, one of the first buildings constructed according to modern architectural principles. The building symbolized the triumphs of Victorian industry. Okay. नेक्स्ट है चैलेंजेस ऑफ रिलीजियस बिलीफ। क्या चुनौतियाँ रही हैं? साइंस, हक्सले, डार्विन, द ऑरिजिन ऑफ स्पीसीज एंड द डिसेंट ऑफ मैन। हायर क्रिटिसिज्म, एग्जामिनेशन ऑफ द बाइबल एज अ मेयर टेक्स्ट ऑफ हिस्ट्री, सोर्स स्टडीज, जियोलॉजी, एस्ट्रोनॉमी। द लेट विक्टोरियन पीरियड रहा है 1870 से 1901 तक। डीके ऑफ विक्टोरियन वैल्यूज, ब्रिटिश इम्पीरियलिज्म, वॉर, आयरिश क्वेश्चंस, बिस्मार्क, द जर्मनी बिकेम a rival power, United States become a rival power, economic depression led to mass immigration and last socialism. Okay. Thank you for watching.